Hey guys!
Today we'll be making farina.
This can be a breakfast or a snack. You can have it hot or cold.
For more recipes,
Consider subscribing.
Now,
Let's step into our kitchen. Set your stove at medium to high heat.
we're gonna start by pouring in the milks. Next, add your sugar.
Make sure to add in that butter. Add your vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Now add your cinnamon sticks.
Canela! At this point, we've added all the ingredients except for the farina.
We want to make sure that the butter and the sugar have dissolved pretty well in the milk.
We want to make sure that our mixture does not come to a boil. Our stove heats up quickly, so we will lower our heat to low to medium heat.
Set a 15 to 20 minute timer to allow your ingredients to mix. Now it's time to add the farina. Remember to stir, stir, stir.
For this process, we're gonna pour in the farina slowly, using a whisk to mix the farina in.
We do this so the farina does not clump up. Depending on how you want your farina, you can leave it more on the runnier side, or if you want it to get thicker, just leave it on the stove for a few more minutes.
We let ours sit in the fridge for a little while because we like it cold. Now pour and enjoy. Thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon!